Rupenyera zarosindi. Rimwe posta rinzi
ko vaiti mota yesecond hand muri kuti china weshketi boss maona mudziyo wenyu
kana 40 hand toda ili wasini rupenyera.
Check up the hood. Check up the hood. Check up the hood. Check up the hood. GLE Formatic 400 diesel.
Hey Chagas, nijashika ndiyakamira kungenda roa Congo ta. Aya ndiwazona. So 8 August Alex Sports Club Showmaster album launch inini chigondro Jehovah ne movement race will be performing there. So tell a friend and call me numbers. If you miss, it's a bomb like this. Nchange ndili papo ndichi pura time.
Kamira mu highway akangomirira tubema kuwa bauye vachataura zvakawandasha asi usatsvage zvakawanda inini ngiya kutanda asi ndokumbira kuti ndikazokukanda pamba zvakuda moyo wekunzwisisana chinzwa sha moyo mangu ndo maunogara iwe ko moyo wakahwina ka takabva mumastreets tatanetane kuzvimbisana ndakazongokuchuma ndakavarairwa mwana iwe moyo wakahwina kare. Yeah, thank you so much.
Eyo, wagwan people, Nisha Tize. I'm here to let you know that this was 8 August. Tinenge tiripa Alex Sports Club. Ko album launch, right? Showmaster. Oraga dangira pa Alex. So make sure you did it. Tanakiro tiripo. Chingoti mama katincha dada. Sazon sureo. I love you all family. See you there.
Yes, ABX Ability Extension live in a living color. Yes, the good news is 8 August, Showmaster album launch, Alex Sports Club. Be there. I'll see you there, performing live.
Yeah, mamtali na salad. Wazi achirumanu ngitagemeni chebati wazi. So we dey ayo atakatandare.
Na mixer.
Wazi atipa dini atipa mtali titi bachi.
Padini atipa dini wazi.
So ilaiji
Kile mkambo atisie boys.
Bagada open.
Pasara manama apa ngenda. Manama.
Yeah, mawadzazire kubata uko ZBC DB udai. Sara manama unayibata kuzima awazi masere.
Gore rineri.
Sara manama tango shinama. Manama tango shinama wabaza. Waya.
Right. Nanjukuzi ndizo nanjukuzi haifa. Sina. Right.
Anyway,
Awuya hapa tunguda hapa video. Autiza kamera mbana. Wake up mbana yo anje. Yuda Mari. Huh? No. No, I don't care. No. You see, young man, you must understand. You can't get rich overnight. It takes time. To build a, don't think you can just make money and be a billionaire overnight. It takes time. Be patient. Don't move too fast. 105. Yes. 110. All right. So 4 July and this one 4 July. You bet the large price. So I can promise I got 250. Now I don't share open and you got 250. Murombo kamfano ngano kuona kuimbachete marana saka nompo platinum 110 and dio umpo platinum vanenge achienda ku anobva ku Mozambique border amene kusumba maramba pfungwa amene kwaanobva apinde muchi anosvika wari mu Ford platinum achionekera wari mu high ride handizvo saka unompai ubva wafanira mukomana kupa 250 yacho boss and that time yekusangana naye I'm too busy ndasangana naye kuti ndimpe 250 just aiwa ungopuwa 250 yacho iwo ubva wamuparira